Ready to bring your wildest character ideas to life? Let's dive into Adobe Animate and get you started with character creation. Even if you're a complete beginner, first, open Adobe Animate and create a new document. Choose a suitable size. We will keep this basic, so select the ActionScript 30 option that is our standard. Now, select the oval tool from the toolbar. This will be your head. Click and drag on the stage to create a circle that will be the head of your character. You can adjust the fill color in the Properties panel on the right. Feel free to pick a skin tone or whatever you like. Time to add a body. Create a new layer by clicking the New Layer button at the bottom of the timeline using the Rectangle tool. Draw a body shape below the head. On this new layer again, select Fill Colors to differentiate it from the head. Now, let's add some limbs. Create another new layer for the arms using the Oval tool again. Draw simple arms on either side of the body. Duplicate the arm by copying and pasting it. This ensures both arms are identical to the same. To add legs, another new layer, and more ovals. Congratulations, you've created your very basic character. Experiment with different shapes, sizes, and colors to customize your character. This is just the beginning, but it gives you a foundation to begin creating all sorts of unique characters. Keep practicing and have fun animating.